Hello, everyone. So I keep getting questions asked of people on Facebook mostly, asking me about my stock picks for how they want some advice on some stock picks. So I need to let you know I'm not a CPA. I can't give you advice, but I'm gonna give you my top five stock picks that I actually am invested in as well. They're for the short run, I'd say, and then I'm going to give you another three that are for the long run. So short run, I mean 3 to 6 months, maybe a year. If you want to hold it into a year, that way when you cash them out, you only get penalized 15% in taxes. If you get taxed, if you cash them out before then, you'll just get taxed on your actual gains in terms of your, I believe, like your overall tax rate. But if you're making a lot of money and then you want to get taxed at only 15, hold them for at least a year, cash them out. So, anyways, I would say the top five are one, MFA. And even with me telling you these stock picks, I would still vet them yourself in case there's anything I might have missed. I don't think I missed anything, but just so for your own sake, so you can, if they go down a little bit, you won't get so scared. MFA Financial. They're a little bank. They are they're not a little bank, but they're at $1.77 share price right now. I see them going up, at least doubling up. They're gonna go up to at least $3. I'm thinking maybe even $4, hopefully. So if you're getting them at $1.77 right now, they're gonna be hella cheap when you cash them out in like 36 months, maybe a year. Save is my next one, SAVE. That one is Spirit Airlines. A lot of people are very worried about airlines. I've been hearing on the news that like, oh, airlines, everybody's freaking out, don't buy airlines. Warren Buffett, who I respect a lot, is getting out of airlines, which I think that's crazy because if he would have gotten them out before the stock crash, I'd have been like, okay, that makes sense. But he got it out after, which makes, I don't know, to me that doesn't make any sense. But airlines, they do go off of, oil and all that, and oil has been kind of spooky lately. But I believe it's going to go, I think Save, Spirit Airlines, they're going to go up. I think potentially about doubling their money. So right now they're at $12.93 share price. I see them going up to at least $20, $24 around there. I think they're going to double your money. So I would invest in that. Me personally. DAL, another airline, Delta Airlines. They are currently at $25.66. I see them going up, not doubling, but maybe like $35, maybe 35. So in the next 36 months, I see them at that price. Airlines, a lot of people are afraid of them. Oh no! But the first thing I think people are going to do is they're going to want to travel. After COVID happens, they're going to want to travel. They're going to want to go to the celebrate, do extracurriculars. They're going to want to go to the movies, stuff like that. And so that's why my fourth pick is Carnival Cruise. Carnival Cruise is currently at $15.93. I think as soon as this ends, people are going to want to take cruises. Like a ton of people, they're all, in their house for so long. I've even heard that, I've been looking at the news a lot, and they're already booked for months, like way ahead. So they're gonna be killing it, Carnival Cruise, and I've looked at their cash on hand. They have a ton of cash, like a lot. So they're gonna easily handle this. They're gonna make it back very quickly. That one I believe is gonna go up. Maybe I don't know. I want to say they're gonna go up to $22. So right now they're at $15.93. They're gonna go to 20. I honestly like $25. I think for real, but whatever, that's gonna make you good money. And then I think they'll even last you for the long run, but for the short run, for sure. Cinemark is my final one, the number 5. Cinemark, I think it actually just lost a ton of money today, so if I were you, I would get in that one specifically. That one's legit. That one you're gonna make a lot of money, not only in the short run, but maybe even in the long run, because Cinemark is a very trusted name. People like going to the movies. They're always gonna want to go to the movies for the experience. So that one, I think right now it's at $15.30. I see it going up to like $22. And they also have a good little dividend. I think it's honestly a good purchase. Even for a short run stock, it's going to be a long run stock, I think. But I still consider it a short run stock. So anyways, the next three are my long run stocks. Technically, two of them are mutual funds. If you're not really into the whole volatility of a stock, these I feel are more, they're more, I guess, stable, and they consistently go up for the most part. So my first one is Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola in this whole thing, Coca-Cola is right now at $47.09. They actually went back up very quickly. I think I still see them going up a little more, but they went up very quickly after even when COVID was happening. They are currently at $47.09. I see them going up to like maybe $53. Not very much, but they consistently go up every year. So even at the end of this, they're probably gonna still go above compared to last year. They're like a very slow growing stock. They're very simple. Coca-Cola is like pretty much a monopoly. They're gonna keep going up. They always go up. They're just a safe stock. Even Warren Buffett loves them. He talks about them all the time. So yes, I would say go Coca-Cola, and they have a small little dividend. I think it's like 3.5% around there. My second one is a mutual fund. It's VONG, Vanguard. It's a Vanguard mutual fund. I would get with them. If you can't, go with WeBull and something where you can buy just a little fraction of them. They are $188.05. They went up this whole time, even when COVID was happening, which I think is crazy, but that's awesome. And with mutual funds, you need to keep in mind that you pay a small little percentage, like almost, it's very little. And then, they have a ton of different stocks in them, so they're a lot less volatile. They like when the market shifts, they shift very slowly. They shift up very slowly, but they grow very slowly over time, and they're very good and safe to have, especially if you don't really understand stocks. A mutual fund is a safer bet. A smart mutual fund. Don't just go for any mutual fund. My third one is VBR. It's another Vanguard. That one's a little cheaper. It's at $106 with 47 cents. $106.47 right now. They got hit pretty hard with COVID, but I see them going up substantially. I would invest in that one as well, along with, I think they're going to be a very good long run stock. You're going to make at least, I think, 15-20% maybe on that, and then on top of that, they're just going to be growing over time. And I mean, honestly, they're just, these three are really good long-term stocks, mutual funds. And if you're trying to make money, bruh, you're gonna invest long run. If you're trying to make money in the short run, like I said, I already told you those first five. Now these last three, people keep asking me because I've already made money on a lot of these, and I'm gonna keep them because I see in the long run they're gonna make me more money, and that's what I want. And like I said, if you wanna keep them for at least a year, so that when you sell them, you'll get hit with the least amount of tax rate of 15%. If you make a very little money and you're not really worried about that, then sell them whenever. But I would keep them at least a year. But yeah, thanks for watching my video. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up. Sorry, I'm not in a shirt and my hair's all messed up. This is the only time I felt willing to do this video. I am really lazy. I just care about stocks and working out. That's all I do. And eating. I eat a lot. But yeah, hopefully you like my advice. If you didn't, explain to me why you don't like these stocks. And if you did, well, hopefully you invest and we make money. In the bottom, I'm going to leave some links. They're going to be for some free stocks. So with free stocks, you don't have to worry about it. You don't have to worry about losing money because you're going to get free stocks. I have some links to my WeBull invite code, my Robinhood, and I have one called SoFi. It's a bank that they actually will give you. If you have $1,000 lying around, what they'll do is they'll literally, you put it into an investment account. I think before June 31st, you put it into an investment account, and they literally will give you $75 for free in free stocks, which is killer because nobody's gonna give you just $75 for nothing. But yeah, hopefully you liked my video. If you didn't, well, I'm sorry. I'm not the best at everything, and that's okay. And I hopefully you watch my next videos, that they're gonna be super good. They're gonna be even better quality because I'm not gonna film it on a phone and really bad audio. But hopefully you make money with me, bro. And if you don't, well, that's fine. And have a great life, man. Yeah. Bye.